Good afternoon, Brad Davis, Steichman Chevrolet. My direct office line is 419-567-4526. Wanted to shoot you a quick video of our 2018 Tahoe that you sent the request over on. Just a little over 21,000 miles on it. This vehicle is absolutely flawless inside and out. You can see it is completely loaded up. Bose stereo system, memory seats, lane departure warning, rear park assist. All the goodies on this one, as you can see. Heated and cooled leather interior, no damage anywhere on the inside. Does have the DVD and sunroof as well in it. Again, it is the 2018 Premier Tahoe. If there's any additional questions or if you'd like to set an appointment to come and take a look at it, please give me a call at 419-567-4526. Again, my name is Brad Davis, and thank you for the email that you sent over. Have a great day.